we want to play next? All right, cool. So this song is called Wrecked My Car because I have done that a few times.
We were lost, and you were coming at 65. My lacerations, make complications.